Hi, this is Screencast 1.2, a little bit about an overview of AP Chemistry with some advice as to how to proceed throughout the year. This course is designed to teach you first-year college chemistry as efficiently as possible. It begins with a summer packet. This is pretty standard for AP Chemistry, which students get the entire summer to work on. Mine took about 5 hours when I did it on my own. And it includes lots and lots of questions about first-year chemistry. The goal is to make sure that you understand first-year chemistry, you have a nice solid foundation, and if you find any gaps, to try to remedy that. For example, if you find that you're weak on the study of gases, you can take that opportunity to fix that. There's also quite a bit, several pages of memorized materials. Which are the strong acids and bases, that sort of thing. And those are also appropriate for a summer packet. That's a time to go ahead and memorize that material. You'll find that it's arranged in PowerPoints that allow you to sort of self-study. They're sort of like flashcards, so you might want to take advantage of that. And during about the first week of classes, we will test on that. The summer problem set's due on the first day, right at the beginning of class. The memorization quiz will take, I believe, about a week later. It might say on the second day here, but currently we have it scheduled for about a week later. Then we begin the stoichiometry problem set, and that'll be due about the same time. And that was also attached to the summer packet, so if you wanted to get ahead, and I hope you did, you can complete the stoichiometry problem set as well. So once the classes begin, you come in and you receive a packet for the first chapter, which is stoichiometry. I believe you'll also receive some welcome materials. And we'll continue every month or so for the course of the year. 1 or 2 packets a month. There's 15 packets in total. Each one includes the core material in the form of slides, all of which should be screencasted so you can listen to the talks such as these to get introduced to it. A laboratory experiment. These won't be overemphasized. We'll do 15 to 20 throughout the year. They're not really the major component for AP Chemistry, however. Hopefully they'll be interesting. Hopefully they'll tie in. Occasionally they'll be essential, and 1 or 2 for each unit. Most of what you need to learn can be accomplished by simply listening to the screencast such as you're doing now while you work through the papers, the packet that comes with it. And then most of your time should be spent working on the assigned problems. You will receive a key sometime after you've had a chance to work on the problems. And that might vary from unit to unit, but this is mostly a problem-solving course, so the majority of your time will be spent solving problems. Now, if you don't like the lectures and the screencasts, then it's up to you to either read the chapter in the textbook, we use Cott's 6th edition, or to purchase a review book such as 5 Steps to a 5, Cram Course, or the Princeton Guide, and there's many others. I think they're excellent, and I would recommend that as a method, but that's something you do on your own. If you need advice as to specific copies, just come talk to me. Okay, so that's the procedure. And then most of your grade will come from the tests for each chapter. That is the majority of your grade. I'll also be occasionally, but not always, collecting the problem set. And there should be a lab quiz following each lab, and there might be various other graded assignments that could include some presentations. Okay, so let's take a look at the specific information from the course catalog, which is totally boring, so I'm not going to read this. But if you're wondering what the prerequisites are and how the course works exactly, have a look at that. Pause this video if you need to, but I'm just going to skip it. And this is helpful. This is the general schedule for 2016-2017, and let's present that as a separate screencast. So this is screencast 1.2, Welcome to AP Chemistry.